Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to design blade shank. As you can watch our earlier video, we have told you the ceiling fan basics and blade shank basics. So now just we are going to design the ceiling fan blade shank in sheet metal module. Let us start designing. Click on new, go to part module and select sheet metal. You can see the sheet metal 3D designing ribbon is opened. Now first we have to sketch the shape of the shank as we have done in the earlier video. Click on sketch, top, sketch, straighten the plane. Now as you can see, sketching of shank is done. You can note the dimension if you need, or you have your own dimensions of shank. Okay, now we have to start 3D designing. First take the planer command, click on top surface, click on sketch. We are going to design this portion first, then we are going to do the next step. Click on project command, project these lines. We have to draw this line, but we are drawing it at a little bit of distance from this edge. We are taking it as 2 mm. Similarly, draw another line here. Length must be same. Keep its distance also as 2 mm. Draw a line, join these. Keep its distance as 5 mm. Take the remove command and delete these segments. Now your entity is closed. Click on OK. Add on thickness of 2 mm. It's done. Now we have to take the flange command. Click on flange. Click on this edge. We can change the angle of the flange from here or length from here also, or we can use this shape option. Click on shape. Change the angle to 45 or any angle you want, either 50, and length of anything you want like 25. Click on OK. Now we have to cut this flange in this shape so that we can provide the twist to our shank. Click on extrude, click on front plane, straighten the plane. Now take the references and cut this. Reference, reference, reference. Take the line command, draw it. Take this angle to 5 degrees as per our requirement. Take this height, anything you want, like we are taking it 10. Take this height to anything like 18. So click on OK. Now you can see the flange is trimmed in this shape. Now take another flange which will provide the lift to our shank. We can change the angle from here also, or we can use this. As you can see, we already provided 50 degree of angle. If we give it 310 or you can say 50, the shank has no lift, but we need a lift, so we go to shape and we give it a lift of 6 degrees. So angle will be 304. 310 minus 6 is equal to 304. Extend its length as much you want. Click on top surface so that you can view it clearly. Like I am extended it till here because we have to trim it using this sketch. Also we need to extend it in this direction and in this direction. You can control these lengths from here also, like 25 and 25. Now let me explain you about the radius. You can see this radius. This radius is coming from this command. As we already told in sheet metal, if we provide inner radius of 2 mm, then the outer radius must be of inner radius plus thickness. And this command is right now providing inner radius. This is providing outer radius. Click on outer radius and it will be of thickness. Thickness is 2 mm, so you can see there is no radius. If we take it to 20 thickness, then inner radius come. It will be of 2 mm and it is of 4 mm. Or we can provide a value, outer radius 5, then inner will be 3, outer radius 10, then inner will be of 8. But we provide it of 4 mm, so inner radius will be of 2. You can now I think you are clear with the radiuses also. Click on OK. Click on top. You can see your shank is here. Only we have to remove extra surfaces using this extrude, this sketch. Or you can also see the lift and twist in the shank. Checking lift and twist I already explained you in the earlier video. Please go and watch that video. Use the extrude command. Click on top. See. Draw the center lines. We are using project command. Click on loop and project this shank shape. Similarly, draw an extra outer rectangle so that shaded area will be removed. Click on tick. Take it to the center and extend it. Hide the planes. Hide the sketch also. You can see your shank is done. All shapes with in corners also we can provide radiuses as per our requirement, like we can change this length as per your requirement. We can change this length as per your requirement. We can change this length as per your requirement. All basic things of shanks are already explained in the other video. We have to put holes in this location. This area we have to put holes in this area. Those all things are explained you earlier. Dimensioning of them, you can use your own dimensioning. I am just explaining you about how to do these things. You can see the holes. These are for rivets. These are for blade mounting. I hope you understand how to draw shank in sheet metal module also, and how to draw shank in solid module also. So please do refer both the videos for your complete information and knowledge. I hope you remain connected with us for more useful videos like this, and refer to your friends and colleagues. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you get an update when the new video comes.